Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. I usually review inexpensive makeup from Amazon, from AliExpress, dollar store, you name it, and I pass on my savings to you. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a different video about Halo Beauty Booster, and this is my second month, so I just wanted to update you on what I think about it did or didn't do to my skin, hair and nails. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell to know when I upload. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and give me a comment down below, and let's get right into this video. So I signed up to the service a month ago in the beginning of September, so we're in October. My first video came out September 9th, I think, but I made it on September 5th, and today is Tuesday, October 5th. There you go. So if you're not familiar, I think everybody knows about Halo Beauty. Tati Westbrook supplement. I've been on the fence about it for a long time, and then I decided to give it a try. So my skin is not problematic per se. Usually people that post reviews, they talk about their skin clearing up, but I'm 44, so I don't have breakouts. I have the opposite. I have fine lines and some sunspots. I'm gonna insert the clip of my skin current condition later in this video so you can see. So my main concern is hair. I have thyroid disorder and my hair is very fine and it's kind of thinning out a little bit. It's not a lot, but as you can see, this is it. There's nothing in the back. That's all my hair. So I was wondering if it's gonna get thicker. And the nails, I usually wear acrylics, or when I take them off, it doesn't look that pretty. So I don't care about the nails. I just curious about hair and maybe my skin condition. So this supplement runs for about $39.95 a month, and if you sign up for a packet like this, it's gonna be a little less, just like a couple of bucks less. So this is like a subscription. They automatically ship unless you cancel. And this is what it looks like. It's pink. It's a natural color inside. There it is. It smells like bread. I can't describe it. I've never smelled supplement like that. It kind of smells like food. It's weird, but it's kind of pleasant. I don't know. So it claims that it does promote thick and luxurious hair growth. It minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen, keratin production, and promotes strong, healthy nails with anti-gray fighting enzymes. I don't have grays. I'm just like it genetically, so I have to lighten my hair instead. I just did it last week. But anyway, so what I did notice that I'm going to mention in my next clip as well, that I think my hair, I wouldn't say it grew thicker in a month, but it probably didn't fall out as much, because usually when I color my roots, I'm a hairdresser, so I do my own hair. I mixed 2.8 ounces of color and I almost ran out this time. I usually have literally have leftover, and like last week I was scraping the bowl. So I guess that's kind of a sign. I don't know, but again, it's too early to judge for 1 month. So 1 month, I would say I would wait 3 months, but I'll do update every month. So next update is going to be in November. And wait, today is November. What am I saying? I said October. Never mind. So this is November 5th. And the last video was October 5th. I'm so out of it. I don't know why. Blonde moment, see? Just bleached my roots. Anyway, so let's get back to this. So it's been a month exactly, and my hair grew about half an inch. I would say it's about normal growth. I don't believe anything would make a hair grow faster. I would say my main concern is how thin my hair is. So I would want it to grow thicker. So we're going to judge that in a couple more months. But I think it did. It didn't fall out as much. My skin is about the same. I wouldn't say it's like any different. It's hard to tell. Okay, I'm going to insert in the video where I have no makeup on, and today's video and the months ago. So I've been using this as well. I got this Ordinary, and this is a glycolic acid 7% toning solution. And this could be a reason why my skin is a little less spotty. Like I have sunspots because I cycle outside a lot. I wear SPF, but still. So this probably helped a lot. So I don't know which one is which, hard to tell. So we're gonna do 2 months review in December, and I'm gonna see if I see any more difference, and I'm gonna keep inserting videos from my previous updates. So the card is gonna be here for my previous video, and I'm gonna roll the clip of my skin as it was last month and today. So 1 month on Halo Beauty, and this is the look of my skin. Let me zoom in a little bit. So the under eyes, I honestly don't see much difference. I'm going to insert the clip of my previous video, and I see my skin maybe a little less spotty, like sunspots, but the thing is, I also started using glycolic acid, so now my scientific evidence is a little bit inaccurate. I got glycolic acid from Ordinary on Beauty Bay, and I've been using it about the same time, 1 month. But most people notice a clearing up the skin when they go on Halo Beauty, and usually it's acne, and I have no acne problems. So for me, my skin is dry. I don't think it's like less dry because I still use the same moisturizers. I still see the same spots here. I mean, they didn't go anywhere. So I don't know. So my hair grew about the same. Let me zoom out. And first my husband, I don't think he measured it correctly because he went from the top all the way down to the back, and it was 22 inches. So now it's 22 and a half. So that's about right. That's normal growth rate. I don't think the vitamins claim that they grow hair faster. I think they claim the hair is getting healthier, I think. I don't remember. But anyway, here, I show the back. So it's about probably the same. I would say this looks the same, but here's one thing. When I'm a hairdresser as well, so I color my own hair. And when I was coloring my roots just the other day, I mix the same amount in the bowl that I usually do. I usually wait 3 weeks and like 2-3 days, and I use high lift color. And usually I mix like about 2.8 ounces, and I usually have leftover. I mean, my hair is not that thick, so I used 2.8, but I almost ran out. So I'm kind of wondering if my hair got a little thicker and didn't fall out as much. Maybe, but I mean, the proof is the pudding. I almost ran out of color. So that's the current situation. As I said, I'm gonna insert a little clip of the video of what my skin and hair look like before, here or here, so you can see the difference. So this is it for my update. If you guys are interested and want to check out my channel, check out my other videos. I have a bunch of makeup tutorials, reviews, and funny videos where my husband does my makeup. That was awful. Anyway, so don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below what you think about Halo Beauty. I'm a big fan of Tati, and right now I'm wearing Tati Beauty palette on my eyes, and it's amazing. I love it. So again, give this video a thumbs up and give me a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.